Welcome to Forex Family Empire. We're back again with another video. It's your boy K Smalls. Today we kill CPI. As you can see, my account here and my guy Pacheco P's account as well. You know, this is a Forex Family Empire. It's a family thing, guys. We don't trade alone. I've got my guy on the side and I'm here by my side. We killed it. CPI killed. I managed to flip 31k into I managed to flip 1,000 rands into 30,000 rands on my side, guys. As you can see the date here, I entered with 0. What do you call this? Entered with 0.6 lot size, and then my brother this side Pacheco, he flipped 2k into 60k. So as you can see the results here, let's wait for it to load. He entered with 0.8 and 0.5 and killed this shit. So yeah, guys, make sure you subscribe, you like. I need to show you how we did. I basically analyzed this thing with you guys. Make sure I don't show my face on this thing. Yep, the camera is fine. So here's my screen. This is how we analyze. I say if we see a breakout there, we're gonna go up. If we don't see a breakout, we're gonna go down. And then I saw that okay, they gave us a breakout, but they haven't filled the resistance down there. The support was not touched before they broke out. So they gave us like 1, 2, 3, 4 touches and then they broke out. But below there, they only gave us like 3 touches or 2 touches according to my analysis there. But yeah, nonetheless, killed it. This is my account. We always share the profit. So yeah, guys, hopefully you subscribe, press that bell notification, and yeah, follow Forex Family Empire, guys. We're going to kill this thing together going forward. And yeah, hope I'll see you on another video. That's it from me, guys. Bye bye.